What shall we make today? Let me show you this sweet smiling necklace. A lovely jade necklace. The best part? It's so simple to make. Just a few easy steps and you'll have your own beautiful necklace. First, gently bend the wire, about 90 degrees, like this. Leave around 7 millimeters, then snip off the extra. Now take your round nose pliers and shape a nice little loop. A sweet 9-shaped loop. Take one of the chain links and hang it on gently. Once it's hanging nicely, close the loop snugly. Next, let's bring in our wire rope. Thread it through like this, then fold the wire in half. Slide on a round positioning bead, so pretty. Bring the short end back through and pull it nice and tight near the necklace. Now let's secure that bead. Hold it upright and gently press the little bump to lock it in place. Time to add the jade beads. They're so beautiful. For the first one, loop the wire back through. Trim the extra wire nice and close. Keep adding the rest of the jade beads, one by one. After the last bead, add another positioning bead. Take the other end of the chain and thread it through. Pass the wire back through the bead, add one more jade to hide the end, and pull everything snug. Close the loop carefully, leaving just a tiny gap. We want it to look neat and lovely. Adjust it until it feels just right. Secure the last bead and trim any extra wire close to the surface. Now you'll see it's still a little straight. To give it that warm smile, gently curve it around something round, just a little bend. There we go. It settles into the sweetest smile. And that's it. So simple and cozy, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below. I'd love to know what you want to make next.